Hello, this is Victor at HistoryMercedes.com. This video is for Emile in Florida, and here is the door locking pump that I repaired. And let's see if I can zoom out a little bit, if I may. Yes. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of like a fisheye, but anyway. So the idea here is just I want to show the operation and working pressures. The motor was bad, really bad, terrible, pretty much. The motor is right here, and it actually is making noises. The brush is totally broken. You can hear it. I don't know if you can. Yeah, so in there, one brush is totally messed up. Well, anyway, there's one here that the other one is bent. Now I put in the new motor, and now it all works. And just want to show pressures and vacuum. I made this contraption over here. This is just to block off certain lines, just so I can test out lock and unlock of the pump. I have it soldered there so you can actually see the pressure and vacuum when I'm locking and unlocking. So 0.7, which is great. 0.5 is also great. The minimum is 0.3. So we're in pretty good shape here. That's the trunk. Now the other ones are they are a little different, but it doesn't matter. We just need to have the overall pressure here. 0.5. See, this one is different because it's in momentum. Because if I'm going to just activate without these pipes, there will be vacuum leak. See, it switched over. So I had to do, well, anyway. See, I can close the piping and pump comes on and off. Well, that's all great. The pressure circuit is broken off. MKL is broken off. I deactivated it anyway, and vacuum internally inside the pump is also leaking, so I deactivated this one too. Not principle, we don't really need it. SFG, it's your handle in the trunk. Let's see, number, what is that? It was 18, I think. So that was pressure, so the pump came out. Not the pump, I'm sorry, the handle in the trunk. And vacuum is to pull handle back in the trunk. So it came out, pulled in. That is that. And we do have a separate circuit over here. Actually, the trunk release. That's what I wanted to see. As a matter of fact, yeah, well, let's try trunk release. Trunk release. I just, for some reason, don't have a notation there. Why is it like that? Well, anyway, so let's see. First it unlocks it, and as you saw, there was pressure there on first trunk has to be unlocked, and then it pops. That was the remote trunk release. And the last one is if you do have rear headrest vacuum activation. For that, I do need to put on the ignition before my battery runs out on my phone. I want to do that. Let's see, ignition on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe this is it. So we just wanted to show that there will be vacuum. That is your vacuum. So good working pump now. Everything works as it should. Alright, my battery's running out. I'll cut it quits. And this is all. This is Victor at HistoryMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.